Tree of Heaven is an invasive tree introduced from China. It was introduced to the United States in the 18th century and has since spread throughout the country. Tree of Heaven competes with native plants for available resources and secretes a root toxin, which inhibits the growth of surrounding plants. In addition to competing with native plants, Tree of Heaven is also the preferred host plant of spotted lanternfly, an invasive plant hopper native to China. This pest has made its way to the United States and continues to spread along the Atlantic coast, threatening many of our native plants such as grapes, fruit trees, and ornamentals. Spotted lanternflies prefer to lay their eggs on Tree of Heaven in the fall. As it is the preferred host, Tree of Heaven is the most reliable host to survey for spotted lanternfly. The University of Rhode Island and the Rhode Island Department of Environmental Management have been conducting surveys at Tree of Heaven stands all across Rhode Island looking for spotted lanternfly. We'd like to show you how to identify Tree of Heaven and our methods for surveying spotted lanternfly. From far away, Tree of Heaven may be easily confused with other trees such as sumac and black walnut. However, it is easily identifiable when up close. The leaves are bright green and grow on the stem directly across from one another. Immature trees have a maroon-colored stem and a light brown/green smooth trunk. Mature trees are completely light brown and can grow up to 80 feet tall. The bark looks very similar to cantaloupe skin. The most identifiable characteristics of Tree of Heaven are the unusual bumps, called glandular teeth, at the bottom of each leaflet, just before the petiole. Another distinctive feature of the tree is the heart-shaped attachment point of the twigs, called leaf scars. These branches are easily removed and leave heart-shaped scars all along the length of the tree. When surveying Tree of Heaven for spotted lanternfly, it is important to take your time and understand what you're looking for. Please note that the following footage contains spotted lanternfly that was taken in Fairfield County, Connecticut, and not in Rhode Island. Adults are gray and orange, and about 1.5 inches long, while nymphs are black with white spots at first, and then they turn red, black, and white as they get older. The nymphs are very small and tend to blend in with the trunk. We survey the trunk first, looking for egg masses, which are light gray in color. Then we survey the branches that are closer to the ground and can be easily manipulated. Once we're sure we've effectively surveyed the ground level, we use binoculars to carefully scan higher up areas of the tree for the pest. We also check the base of the tree, where sticky honeydew and the black sooty mold that grows on it can accumulate in heavily infested areas. The URI Biocontrol Lab would love your help surveying for this pest. More information can be found on our website at web.uri.edu/biocontrol/spotted lanternfly. If you find spotted lanternfly, the Rhode Island Department of Environmental Management has a reporting form available on our website, right at the top of the spotted lanternfly page. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at URI Biocontrol or on Facebook at URI Biocontrol.